Hey there, that's a nice performance marketing dashboard, but do you spend hours per week updating Excel or Google Sheet reports? Let me show you how easy it is to automate that process with Marin instead. Marin unites all your performance marketing data in one place. So rather than populating this raw data tab manually by copying and pasting all the data from the different publisher accounts and from Google Analytics, I want Marin to do it for me. So in Marin, I've built a report with all the data that my dashboard needs. I'm going to copy this link and use it to power my dashboard. First, let's delete all this manually collected data. And then with a simple import HTML formula to cell A1, all the data that lives in my Marin report is suddenly populated here, and my raw data tab is up to date. And voila, check out how nice my dashboard looks with all that fresh data in it. And I'll never have to do any work to update this report again because it pulls in the latest data automatically every time I open it. Another example of digital marketing made easy by Marin.